Good evening. Welcome to Casa Bob for this Sunday session of Cooking with Bob. Tonight we're going to do another home fresh meal. That meal is 1 pan steak and green pepper quesadillas. So, let's begin. Okay, what do we have in our bag today? Nice packaging. Definitely like the packaging. Okay, diced beef steak. Ooh, big quesadillas. Let's see, pepper jack cheese. Mexican blend cheese. A pepper. Now let's see what kind of pepper that is. That is a long green pepper. Red pepper crema. And we have 2 of those. And then we have Southwest spice. Chola hot sauce. Time and temperature check. It is 5:38 p.m. and the temperature is 62 degrees. It's going down to 50 tonight. Okay, we've washed and dried. Okie dokies. Let's go for the big guns tonight. All right, half core and thinly sliced. Oh, there's my favorite term again. Thinly sliced, half core and thinly sliced green pepper crosswise into strips. Sure. All right, so we got to have it carefully. Okay. Let's make this easy on ourselves. That gets rid of the pits. Except for a couple of strays here. Thinly slice. I don't think I told you the date. Today is Sunday, November 28th, 2021. And a drizzle. And once again, we turned the wrong burner on. Bob-a-ling. Bob-a-ling, you gotta learn your burners. Just had this conversation. And I can hear some heat. Alexa, set a 4-minute timer.
4 minutes, starting now.
Let's do the occasional thing again. Always have a problem with the occasional stirring. What does occasional mean? Is it, I know it's not constant, but define occasional when stirring. If anybody has that information, please jot it down in the comments below. Down here. Three, 2, 1, bingo! Okay, where did my salad? Lost my Southwest spice. How could I do that? Oh, I put it in already. See, when you get to be my age, good grief, I put it in already. Pepper. Always room for pepper. Then you want a big pinch of salt. Well, that's all you get. How long do we occasionally stir this for? Let's take a peek. 2 minutes. I think we're over that already. Whoa! We got dropsies. Lots of dropsies. Okay. Okay, let's occasionally stir this one more time. Remove from heats. All right, we have a clean work surface. Pepper jack, 1/2, so we'll do it on this side. Steak mixture. Mexican cheese. Can never have enough cheese. Fold tortilla in half to create the quesadilla. And heat a drizzle of oil. Now I know the pan is hot. Not bad. At least I didn't curse too loudly on camera. Let's turn this down. I don't think we need this anymore. Look at this. I think we can turn this off. How's this one looking? Not bad. Ouch. 2/3. 1, 2, 3. Nice and nice. And I say so myself. Like that. And this is the pepper crema. And then the hot sauce. The hot sauce. And that is all you got for, what did we do? We did 1 pan steak and green pepper quesadillas. That's a wrap. Bon appetit. Thanks for joining me. Stay warm and well. Okay, bye.